Hello, my name is Staci Spring and I am a wolf trap teaching artist with the Art Space Collaborative at UTC. I'm excited to share a musical strategy with you today to help your child with using a writing utensil to draw a stick figure. In this activity, I'll be using a slide whistle, but you're also welcome just to use your voice, or you could whistle R2-D2 style. So my friend Kim here is going to help me, and we're going to warm up just by following along to the sounds of the slide whistle. So move your body, move your voice, you could use your finger, and just follow along, okay?
That's fun.
Yeah. Okay, so now grab your writing utensil and let's kind of do the same thing. Practice grabbing your marker there and just follow the sounds, okay? All right, great job. I love it. That's beautiful. Okay, and so now we're going to try to put together a sequence, okay? So we're going to make a stick figure, and this is going to be the sound of the body. Okay. Do that? Yeah, okay, and then we're going to do legs. And then arms. So just straight across for the arms. Okay, then make a head. Then eyes, and nose. And then smile. And then crazy hair. Okay, so if we do this in a little bit more structured way, we're just going to go body, legs, legs, arms, head, eyes, nose, smile, crazy hair.
Ready.
Okay, and try it again. All right. All right. There we go, and now you have your stick figure. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please visit the website on your screen.